Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will discuss objective type questions and answers from building construction. I have already provided 3 Q&A videos and all the links are given in the description box. I will also bring more Q&A videos in all civil engineering subjects. So if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. So let's get started. So this is my 4th Q&A video. So our first question is, the depth of an arch is the distance between, we have 4 options. Option A, ground level and springing line. Option B, crown and springing line. Option C, crown and ground level. Option D, interdus and extradus. So the answer is option D, interdus and extradus. Next question, cast iron piles. Option A are useful for heavy vertical loads. Option B are suitable for works under seawater. Option C resist shocks or vibrations. Option D are suitable for use as better piles. So the answer is option A are useful for heavy vertical loads. Now third question, expansion joints in masonry walls are provided if length exceeds option A 40 meter, option B 50 meter, option C 20 meter, option D 30 meter. So the answer is option A 40 meter. Next, the platform at the end of a series of steps is known as option A rest, option B platform, option C landing, option D relief. So the correct answer is option C landing. Now fifth, wrapped foundation are generally preferred to when the area required for individual footing is more than option A 25% to total area, option B 30% to total area, option C 40% to total area, option D 50% to total area. So the correct answer is option D 50% to total area. Next question, the arrangement of supporting an existing structure by providing support underneath is known as option A shoring, option B jacking, option C underpinning, option D piling. So the correct answer is option C underpinning. Next, the process of keeping concrete moist for a certain period after its finishing is known as option A finishing of concrete, option B placing of concrete, option C curing of concrete, option D compaction of concrete. So the answer is option C curing of concrete. Next, inclined surface of an abutment to receive the arch is known as option A soffit, option B skewback, option C spandrel, option D hunch. So the correct answer is option B skewback. Next, the strength of brick masonry in 1:6 cement mortar is option A 20 tons per meter square, option B 40 tons per meter square, option C 50 tons per meter square, option D 60 tons per meter square. So the correct answer is option C 50 tons per meter square. Now then the dimension of a half queen closure as option A 9 cm into 9 cm into 9 cm, option B 9 cm into 9 cm into 4.5 cm, option C 9 cm into 4.5 cm into 9 cm, option D 1.8 cm into 4.5 cm into 9 cm. So correct answer is 9 cm into 4.5 cm into 9 cm. Next question. Now, in case of foundation on sandy soil, maximum permissible differential settlement is usually limited to option A 15 mm, option B 25 mm, option C 35 mm, option D 45 mm. Now the answer is option B 25 mm. Next, for heavy embankment and dams of height h, the depth of exploration of soil should not be less than option A h by 4, option B half h, option C h, option D 2h. So the answer is option D 2h. Next, rotary drilling. Option A is not suitable for deposits containing very coarse gravel. Option B hinders the groundwater observation and permeability test. Option C is not economical for holes of less than 10 centimeter. Option D all the above. So the answer is rotary drilling is not suitable. All the above is answer is not suitable for deposits containing very coarse gravel, hinders the groundwater observations and permeability test, is not economical for holes of less than 10 centimeter. All these are answer. Now next question in Greeley's foundation. Next, in Greeley's foundation, a minimum 15 cm cover is provided on option A, upper flange of top tier, lower beam of lower tier, ends of external beams, and D, none of these. So the answer is option B, lower beam of lower tier. Next, the maximum bearing capacity of soil is that of option A, black cotton soil, option B, loose fine sandy soil, option C dry coarse sandy soil, and option D hard rocks. So the answer is option D hard rocks. So these are 15 questions I have discussed here. I will bring more videos and I hope you like this video. So to get more Q&A videos and other videos, please to like, share and comment and press the bell icon too. So I hope you like this video. So I'll bring more Q&A videos regarding civil engineering subjects and other videos also I will bring. So thanks for watching.